Gertrude Chebet Chelogoi, a resident of Kondita village, Senendet Sub-County, Buko district, has 8 children with 4 girls, all above 20 years. She underwent FGM at an early age, but refused to take her daughters to undergo the same ritual.
There is nothing that has been exposed for girls to get circumcised. There is at least some change.
In 2013, Chebet and the group started the Christian Sabine Stop FGM project and identified over 150 girls from affected areas in the region. They believe girl child education can end FGM.
When we told these girls what was done from the beginning to the time they are initiated, the girls refused to completely and say they will never, and they are going to tell their friends exactly what happens. So I'm seeing there is a success when we shall use these girls.
This took center stage at celebrations to mark the 20th Sabine Culture Day in Buko district, where her message to parents was FGM exposes girls to early marriage.
I understand when you circumcise a girl, you are preparing her for marriage. Which means she's now at liberty to go and marry.
The RDC Buko district Peter Ken Lokap urged residents to respect nature.
The whole world is condemning. What the world is condemning, we should not agree. And after all, when somebody is born, you should leave that person the way he or she was born. Don't tamper.
Representing United Nations Population Fund Country Representative Esperance Fundira, the National Program Officer on Gender Issues Esther Teacherop called for an end to FGM.
We want to see that all the other issues that actually perpetuate FGM are actually integrated in the program implementation. Issues of education, issues of health, issues of accessibility, roads, communication need to be linked to how do all these affect the practice of FGM.
Female genital mutilation FGM involves partial removal of female genitalia in the guise of preparing girls for marriage. The practice is a human rights abuse of women and girls. In Uganda, FGM is practiced in Karamoja and Sebei sub-regions, but the government has enacted the Prohibition of Female Genital Mutilation Act of 2010 to punish perpetrators. Bernard Higa, UBC News.